Hey, this is Chuck with Street Rack Garage, and car show season is upon us, and one of the things that is most important when you go to a car show is having your drinks and your food nice and fresh and cool and ready to go. Well, this product should help solve those issues. Though this is the cooler from Bodega. It's not just a cooler. This is actually a miniature refrigerator, and it will keep your stuff super cold. I have never done an unboxing before on this channel, so this is going to be our first unboxing. It just came in the mail and I have not opened it up yet, so we're going to do that right now. So let's get started. So I have had one of these before and they are absolutely great, and this is their newest cooler. They sent it to me to try out. If it's anything like the old one, it will be fantastic. So let's pop this guy open here and see what they have to offer us today. So these things will run on a battery pack. They will run on house power, and they will run on 12-volt power. And it is just pretty much the same size as your normal cooler. Oh, and it's actually not very heavy. It's a little bit heavier than normal cooler, but not too heavy at all. So there's that part. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. Get our cooler in here. Get our wrap off. And have a look and see what we have here. Well, it's a nice color. Nice black trim. Let's look inside real quick. Nice top. We got another small box that I guess we're going to have our cords and everything in. So, all right, let me open up this small box and then let's have a look inside of here. Everything is unpacked and ready to go. So I already have it plugged in and it is actually running right now. Can you hear it? I can barely hear it standing right here. I have it plugged into the house electric, but also it comes with this 12-volt cord. So you can plug this right in and you could run this off of, say, your jump pack, or plug it into your car accessory port. So it says here that it has triple battery protection. So to protect the battery, the fridge will shut off if the voltage falls below the cutoff threshold, and will come back on when the battery is charged back up. So pretty much what that means, you plug it in and it's not going to run your battery all the way down, so you can't start your car again. And it also has a couple different modes. It has an eco mode and a boost mode. So you can run it in the eco mode when you're running the 12-volt and it'll remain cool. And when you want to really crank it up, plug it in and turn it on to the boost mode, so it'll freeze all your stuff. But this goes all the way down to like -4 degrees. So it's more than enough to freeze anything. You don't need it that low, but it will go that low if you need to keep your steaks frozen, for sure. And if you put the cooler in backwards, it's no big deal. You just take the lid off, turn it around so you can get to it in any direction that you want to. It's just that easy. So it has a little drain in the bottom, and you can actually use this like a regular cooler if you want to. Put your stuff in there, throw ice in there, boom, it's a regular cooler. You want to keep all that ice and stuff cold, plug it in to your house, plug it into your RV, plug it into your car, whatever you want to plug it into. It's quick and easy. It has a couple simple controls, a plus and negative, an on and off, boom, and you are ready to go. So that is the Bodega cooler. So this model can be bought on Amazon. I believe this is the, what model is this? This is the MCD60D cooler. So I will leave you a link below so you can grab yourself one of these off of Amazon and just tell them that Chuck from Street Rack Garage sent you, and they will hook you up. So that's going to do it for this episode of Street Rack Garage. Until next time.